Hi, I'm Cheryl. I suffer from tinnitus and hyperacusis, which resulted from sudden hearing loss. CBT helped me in that I'd quickly developed some habits and rituals that weren't helpful in managing my tinnitus. It led me to understand why it wasn't helpful and not to give tinnitus the attention. It also helped me in terms of identifying negative thought patterns and addressing those thought patterns with positive counter-statements and realising that setbacks do occur and how to manage those setbacks. I think the book is a great resource and a great tool to reach a lot of people. I think it's a great reminder to be able to pick the book up, look back, use the book on a day-to-day basis and refer to it as you need to as a reference point. I was fortunate enough to have a number of sessions, CBT sessions with Hashir. If someone didn't have access to that, then the book is a great self-help guide and tool, and it's also a superb reference point for me and myself now, looking back on those sessions.